Korani kaza ani gombe ki dede shendel longonle shendade Korani ki jagi gyune gofan jadi chine shendel samalo cha shushum dapshush dia shendel gor nidon nide shibchu ani Korani jawcha sana Labdron Namgyal gonglo chukchi chungi jawjresha ani Lhamo Tenzin gonglo chukchi chungi ta chungi jawjresha Korani ja ana Labdron Namgyal can you raise your hand di kawan namgyal age bomore ani Korani tata chata di kaji pugor sana Korani gofan kutare gomi don nide shibchu Lhamo Tenzin Lhamo can you raise your hand Korani Tenzin kawan namgyal age knees Samresha and Samgo, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause for your wonderful work that you did. Amazing job. Thank you so much on the bottom of our heart, alright? And you want to say something?
Good afternoon, everyone. First, thank you so much, Dr. Chuling Nunnery, for presenting us with this award. I am Labdron Namgyal.
I'm Lhamo Tenzin.
We are honored to have this opportunity today to support the Dr. Chuling Nunnery.
We would like to first express our gratitude for being part of this significant event. In our endeavor to make a meaningful contribution to the nunnery, we established this GoFundMe initiative. Our goal is to provide the nuns with the same educational opportunities that we receive. As students ourselves, we recognize the importance of education and believe that everyone should have equal access to it. This shared belief has inspired us to launch this GoFundMe, driven by our commitment to empowering others through learning. We were able to help the nunnery through the help of GoFundMe by raising over $2,000.
GoFundMe's simplicity and popularity makes it easy for anyone to start a fundraiser. We were able to reach out to many people, spread awareness, and raise funds easily.
By supporting this cause, we are not just investing in their education, but also fostering a brighter future for all those involved.
So let's join hands in making a difference and assure that knowledge knows no boundaries or limitations. We absolutely enjoyed working on this project. We learned so much from this project alone, and we are grateful and privileged to be here. Thank you.
Niniga likadolin do base de contar com a gente.